I have a severe dust problem. And hopefully my solution to that is within this box. And nope, it has nothing to do with missing one of those air filters. I've built one already and it is working really well so far, as you can clearly see. So much dust. Nope. I need something to catch all my spray paint, so the solution would be using some cheap box fans of some sort and of course some kind of filtration that is capable of catching those small dust particles that form while spray painting. Inspiration struck as I came across these Wagner spray shelters, but they aren't always readily available or too expensive for my taste. I just need something small to fit on my workbench. And hey, a tent is a tent. So let's check this out as an experiment to see if it helps with my dust problem. Ooh, presto! Doesn't this small sun shelter fit perfectly on my bench? But I find this flap right here kinda bothersome, so if it hinders me, I should just cut it off. And now adapt those fans with duct tape. Lots of it. And for that I've cut a hole into the side with some flaps, realized that it is kinda dark inside and used the smartphone holder for additional lighting. Yep, this is a thing somehow. Watching YouTube in the shade at the beach is a must. And with this light you can see how I taped an adapter out of some cardboard to channel the air through the fan. And now, after adding the filters on the inside with more duct tape of course, it is time to put on some safety gear, add a Lazy Susan to the mix with additional blocks of course, shake up some cans and test this bad boy out. I know. The object I paint right now is out of the shot, but you can clearly see the mist or the spray going right into the filter, and that makes me really happy right now. Yeah, the Lazy Susan with the standoffs are a great solution and perfect for this. I'm in love and intrigued.